I'm coming at you with some fresh hair. I dyed my, well, me and my sister dyed my hair last night, just my roots to get rid of the grays. Okay, I have to go get Harry. He's on the neighbor's lawn. So about my hair color, I just remembered I didn't really tell you. I got it on Amazon and it was the Wella products and I got medium brown. Now that it's kind of light out, I've noticed it's not perfect, but you know what? We are just gonna learn and grow and do better as we go along, and at least it's covering some of my grays, and that is what I'm happy about. It is so beautiful. You should see the colors of the trees. I will show you. We are walking back here to get some pampas grass. I'm gonna forage it and put it in a vase. There, it looks so pretty. Someone decided to go into the swamp. Okay, let's go for a walk. This is our collection. So this is the vase that we got at Back to Bali sale that the Knowlton & Co. company had. And this is with the pampas grass. I'm gonna sit with it, but it looking like this for now, and see if maybe I should get some more to fill in a little bit more of the gaps in between, or if I want it to be like a little bit more sparse like this. But yeah, this is the finished look. Okay, so I am just trying to decide whether I want to put my bedroom down here. We would have to put a door on, but it has the hardwood floor. I'm obviously not a fan of the wall color or the light fixture, but it is an option. It's a big room. I probably could fit my sofa and set it up in here, but it'd probably be very cozy. But it is an option, and there also is no closet space. So this is what I'm trying to decide between this room, and I'll take you upstairs and I'll show you the other room. So this is the other room. This room I'm leaning more towards. The wall colors are still not amazing, but they are more in line with my color schemes of neutral. I would probably do something more with the closet door. I definitely wanted to change the blinds eventually, but the biggest thing is ripping out this carpet. I have this amazing wool carpet that I can lay on the floor after, but it's just the thought of ripping out this carpet and being exposed to all that mold and toxins is a bit nerve-wracking, but it will eventually have to be done no matter what. So just trying to decide. I'm feeling more aligned to this, and then putting all of my crystals and books on here. And yes, I am finally unpacking. It's almost a year into the mix, and I'm finally ready to settle and plant roots. And watch, as soon as I do this, I'm gonna be called. It was 111 on the video. I'm gonna be called to move, but yeah, I've decided right now for this moment to plant roots, and I'm thinking I'm gonna be ripping up this carpet There is a subfloor, which is also kind of daunting here. But we're thinking of, the plan is to put this as my bedroom and then put the office, rip out the carpet in here too, put this as the guest bedroom, so my current bed in here, and then put this table, the office, in my current bedroom and have this as like the office room. Because it's a very tiny, kind of little nanny ensuite kind of vibe. So that is the plan.
Good morning. I just wanted to give you an update. As you can hear, it's very echoey, on what I decided. So I chose the room upstairs and I ripped up the carpet last night, and now I've just vacuumed and washed the floor, and I'm just gonna give you a little view of what's happening. So it was stapled down, so now once the floor is all dry, I'm gonna have to take out a lot of staples. And then my plan is to, we'll see if it works, to re-nail down these boards, although we don't technically need to. I might actually just rip them out. As you can see, the floor is not, it's in great condition, but it definitely needs a little paint. So I'm just trying to decide if I'm going to paint it. I do have that gigantic carpet that I am gonna lay down, so I may just leave it a little rustic looking like this for now, since this is not our home, we are renting, and we are probably not gonna end up purchasing this place. If we were, I would put more dedication and time into this, but because we are not, I am just kind of living day by day, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is the space. There's some very raw wood over here. I guess they must have had to do something with the vent. But this is it. And I think once I lay the carpet, you may not notice the patchiness. I'm thinking of putting the bed here. But I am also gonna play around a little bit with ideas. I think I just put the bed there because I could see myself with the bed there, but that doesn't necessarily mean, because the bed can also go over here. It's just then we have this spot we need to figure out how to cover up with the bed. It is covered up. And then I was thinking of putting like the chairs over here. Anyways, I guess we will see as I put, the thing is like you can have a visualization, but until you put the furniture in the room, it may not make sense. So that's my update.